Alright, we are back to boondocking, boys and girls. Finally, that was a long couple weeks. I was just planning to stay for the weekend, and that ended up being a week, and that just seemed, I don't know, seemed like a long time. Back to grocery store here that's still doing a bunch of construction work. Got a camper van on the side of me. Had a bit of an accident with the fridge. The door flung open. I forgot this door don't clip shut like the RV fridge do. Shattered my ketchup bottle. Had ketchup everywhere. It was a disaster. It was in the middle of driving too. It's running right now. So far so good. Unplugged it from there and plugged it into an extension cord because that goes to a breaker that is also connected to the microwave, and that thing makes a weird buzzing sound just being plugged in, so I unplugged it from there so I can flip the breaker off. Gonna have to play it by ear with the refrigerator, see how the batteries handle that and how often I have to run the generator or engine. Alright, just stopped at a Winco, got some groceries. And I'll put this away and head to either Green Street or L Street, I don't know yet. Alright, Green Street it is. No semi-trucks today. Just me. A few cars and a boat way up there. Got the groceries put away. Gonna try a little better to clean up that ketchup spill. Need to make lunch of some kind. I've only had breakfast and I'm feeling a little weak. Behind on sleep. Some more scrubbing done. Still kind of sticky, or maybe that's just my feet. Don't know when I'm gonna cut my hair. It's getting pretty long. Might not for some time. Might try and beat my record. Still got my last ponytail. About a foot long or something like that. Well, I finally got to talk to by the police about RV camping in the city. Dang, this is a nice spot. Oh well, let's head out. Alright, here at L Street. Different part of L Street anyway. I'm not sure if this is a private road or not. I do know of a private road where I can go after tonight. I'm gonna try and stay here tonight since my P.O. box is not even blocked that way. Got maybe an hour nap in. It was good. It was good timing. I got probably an hour nap and woke up 10 minutes and then heard the officer's squeaky brakes there. So I started getting ready to leave, and they knocked on the door and did all that. And get my mail in the morning tomorrow, and probably head to that private road I know of. I can stay there a couple nights. Then I'll have to figure something else out. If there's no camp, he was even talking about the cars. They'll get in trouble too if it's in the city limits. And so I don't know. I'll play it by ear. If nothing else, get a ticket. He's really understanding. I was able to explain a little bit to him what's going on. I'm still new to this, trying to make it work, and yada yada. Yep, we gotta start thinking of other spots outside of town, or outside of city limits. So, I'll start roaming around. Well, we started getting some rain. It's a pleasant, unexpected surprise. It's just supposed to be overcast today. Had another semi show up here. Alright, first night of boondocking done. Slept like shit. Just too much commotion yesterday. Had 2 people knock on my door while I was here. Security lady telling me that the manager might come out at 11. She's being cool. She's all talking up a storm about motorhomes. She used to be a trucker. She's telling me about a lot of truckers are living in their trucks now too. I was like, yeah, I noticed a lot of people living in their vehicles. Anyway, no knocks from the manager. I've seen other motorhomes stay here. I didn't even know this little store had security. So yeah, I kicked out of almost 4 places yesterday. Both my streets, which I'm not parking in the side of the street anymore. It's clear that can be a ticket. So I will not chance that. I'll just have to stick to these parking lots and start wandering out of town, which is kind of sucks. I wasn't really prepared for the increase in money I will be spending in the fuel, but I think I'll figure it out somehow. Maybe even just start heading back to the ranch and hang around there, just so I can do as little driving as possible and have a place to go park for a few days. Like I've mentioned before, they don't want me staying more than a few days unless it's house sitting or working. So I might go back after getting some things taken care of. I need my wisdom teeth pulled. Let's go get my mail. I've got about 40 minutes till I can go get my mail. I'm boiling some eggs for breakfast. I feel like f***ing shit. It'll be one of those days I shouldn't be driving, but I don't know what the f*** else to do. Oh well. It's 8:09. 20 minutes. I go get my mail and get the f*** out of here. Figure out what to do. Alright, got my mail and ended up here at this Home Depot. Got Wi-Fi from a Subway behind me. Pretty good parking lot for camping out. Had a security guard ask me to leave once from here, and it was at like 1 in the morning, so I'll just stay here for the day and then take off by tonight. So I'm gonna go through my mail, get relaxed, and hopefully sleep. Out of propane, I gotta go get some, but thankfully it doesn't really matter being out of propane now that I don't have the RV fridge. It's not like my food's gonna spoil without it. So I'll probably just throw like $10 in there or something. Still good on water. Yeah, looks like we're all doing pretty good, so I need to waste a couple days before my tanks fill up, and then I'll head to the rest area. I'm starting to look around Battleground. When you mentioned check out Battleground, I think I might do that here soon. I am a few blocks away from my dentist, so I'll try and catch up on sleep here. I need to go stop there and ask them about getting the referral switched from a place in Oregon to here in a place local. And then I'll go check out Battleground a little bit, go see how friendly their grocery stores are to motorhomes. Opening packages always just lifts my spirits. Got some things here that are going to help get some projects done. And even get my gaming setup fixed, or going. My original idea with splitting the video with just a Y-splitter didn't work. It degraded the video signal and I couldn't play it like that. So I got a video amplifier. After doing some Googling, screwing around on eBay, this thing popped up and I was like, oh, this is what I need. So it's a 4-channel video amplifier. It's like security systems or anything where you need multiple monitors. One video goes in, 4 goes out, and it amplifies them so it doesn't degrade the signal. So I should be able to get in some gaming videos. A couple of you have been wanting to see them. I killed the gaming channel because it changed its policies and I need to make money. So I'll be putting them on Class A Living. It's all related to the RV anyway. It's RV gaming, RV living. It's what I'm doing here. And videos will go up on days I don't have any RV videos anyway, so I was thinking it'd be nice to fill in the spaces and get a daily upload, or at some point get daily uploads. I'd really like to do that. I really commit to this. I want this to work, but anyway, opening these packages, the original point of starting this video, uplifting my spirits, reminding me what to look forward to. I was kind of feeling a little hopeless there for a minute, getting chased out of constantly getting asked to leave spots is very demoralizing. I would leave this part of town if I had the gas to do all that driving. I mean, there's some long distances in between me and the rest area. Yeah, that's why I need to go to the battleground. So anyway, it's nice getting these packages. I can get the camera going. I really hate filming with this camera. So some new things to help out with the channel and give me some stuff to do. That'll take my mind off this depressing bullshit. So I'm gonna go. Got a new case for the phone, which is exciting. Tired of dropping this thing. Got it for I don't remember, I'll have to look that up, but like 20 bucks less than what I would pay for here at a Metro PCS store, so I can save my phone. It's important to me. That's a pretty sweet case, actually. A little plasticky feeling, but the sides are all rubbery. Got all the holes where they should be. Yeah, I like it. That was a good buy right there. It even came with a belt clip, which I will never use. That was a big phone to put on my build. I don't know. I suppose if I'm ever working. And here's the fan I'll be using for the generator project. So all the stuff you need to put it onto a radiator or a cooler, but I won't be needing that, I don't think. Pretty heavy little thing. Hopefully that does the trick. 80 watts. Bit beefier than this other little thing I got. Had a feeling this might not work out, but it was only 11 bucks, and I knew I'd want this for another project at some point. It said high speed, so I had higher hopes than I did when I got it, and after I plugged it in. But it's a cool little fan. It's 100, plugs right into the wall. It's pretty heavy too, but it's definitely not high speed. It doesn't move too much air. It'll be good for a project in the future. So I guess the next thing I will need for this project is I guess just a jigsaw, so I can cut a big old hole, and also probably a vent to put on the outside. Which way does this blow? I think it said push-pull on the description, so I might be able to go either direction. If so, I might be able to just have this facing outward, and that'll protect it from debris or birds or whatever. I don't know, I still probably want to put a vent cover out there. There it goes. Yeah, I remember now, that's why I got it so cheap, was it said refurbished, so this is fixed and put into a box. You can tell it's definitely not the original packaging, but man, that's got some weight to it. That feels like a decent little camera right there. Ooh, official GoPro. Finally. Always wanted to GoPro.